This video is not sponsored by Purple Carrot. However, I got the opportunity to be spoiled with one of their meals. My stomach goes out to SugarToppedLove for providing this dish. Make sure to head over to her channel and see the other dish that she created from Purple Carrot. When you purchase any one of their meals, you're gifted with a delicious recipe pamphlet. Alright, so I found the right page. Let's go ahead and dig into this. Luckily, Purple Carrot was kind enough to give me all the ingredients necessary to make this. It comes complete with a nice little baggie of goodies. It seems like there's a lot more in here than we'll be needing, but we'll see how far we can stretch this. Let's start off with the most important step of all, washing your hands. Okay, so here are the directions. We're going to take our tomatillos, peel, rinse, and dice them. Then we take our navel oranges. We're going to peel and de-seed these. Mine particularly had exactly 3 in it. Chop those up and add them to a clean bowl. Next, we're going to de-seed and mince the serrano peppers. But be careful, make sure to not rub your eyes. They will burn. Okay, now with the ingredients that we have prepared, the tomatillos, navel oranges, and serrano peppers, we're gonna take our lime, halve it, juice 1/2, and save the rest for some wedges later. Mix all that up together with some salt and pepper, and you have yourself a tossed tomatillo citrus salsa. Instead of using this entire colossal red onion, I'm just going to end up chopping about a little more than half of it. This order was blessed with a healthy looking red pepper. So I'm just going to take half of that, de-seed, and dice it. Now to peel the garlic, and to yield the best taste, I like to squish it down and then chop it. I feel as though it really brings out the flavors. Take our beans, open them up, and then drain and rinse them. Set to the side for later on. Let's raise the heat to medium and prep our skillet with an oil, preferably a vegetable oil. This particular one that I'm using is a peanut oil. Throw our peppers and onions onto there, mix it up a little bit, get exciting. Add the garlic, and we're gonna let these sit around until they caramelize, because I like my veggies nice and soft. Now Purple Carrot was kind enough to already send me pre-cooked rice, so all we really need to do is reheat it. Add that into the mix, take our rinsed beans from earlier, sprinkle that right on top. Time to welcome in the taco seasoning and throw it into this bad mamma jamma. Top it with salt and pepper and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. And stir in between 1-minute intervals. I found that to work the best. In between those intervals, leave the lid on. Once you feel all your ingredients are thoroughly cooked, I turn off the stove right about now, and then we add the vegan cheddar cheese. Once I throw that into the mix, I leave the lid on so that way it can melt. I don't know about you, that sure does look like the picture. Now there's one thing left to do, and that's just try it. Let's see how this fares out. The citrus gives like a tangy punch right to the back of my taste buds. Woo! But all in all, really good, really good. 10 out of 10, we'll cook again. Thank you so much for clicking onto my video. If you would like to see more, consider subscribing to my channel, where I take you on my creative journey and breaks from reality. I'll catch you next time. Stay safe and stay creative.